This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need 3 things before you start: developer options with USB debugging, a working ADB install, and the target app package name. Once those are ready, connect the device to your computer and run a DB devices to confirm communication. Now reboot into safe mode via the power menu, long press power off, and tap safe mode. This isolates system services and disables third-party apps, which is why we use ADB next to selectively re-enable the app you need. With the device in safe mode and ADB connected, first confirm the exact package name by listing packages. This avoids enabling the wrong app. Once identified, use a DB shell PM enable package. Name to enable the package at the system level. This tells the package manager to allow the app even though third-party loading is restricted. If the app isn't present, you can install or restore it using a DB install R app. App or CMD package install existing package. Name so after enabling, verify the app runs by launching it via the device or with a DB shell monkey P package. Name one. This checks basic startup behavior. Once confirmed, reboot the device back to normal mode if you want persistent access, but make sure to observe whether the app stays enabled. If something goes wrong, run a DB logcat to inspect errors and use PM list packages D to see disabled packages. If needed, re-enable or reinstall the app and repeat the verification step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.